victory means a lot of things for me. It means that our people believe in us. We won the election with them, and we're going to double our effort, supported by my able deputy, the professor, and the former vice chancellor, to see that we continue on the right trajectory that we have started in the state, giving our people excellent infrastructure, giving our people human and capital development, giving our people all the good things that they will need to make them happy.
What wants to happen to Hutu, the man behind the source?
Hutu should be prosecuted. And I believe I'm the right person to prosecute him because he committed the offense in Adamawa. And I'm sure I'm going to prosecute him, along with the security chiefs that committed those offenses with him, because they ought to have been the one to protect democracy. But if the police and the security agencies will be the one to connive with INEC officials to scuttle our democracy, I think it's unfortunate. But the wrong must be corrected, and it must be corrected with all of us. The military yesterday had to be the one to protect our democracy. I think it's unfortunate. But anyway, it is over. What is expected has been done, and democracy has been deepened. Everybody is happy. The only thing I will say is I celebrate Nigerians who stood by us, who stood by the truth, who stood for democracy, including those abroad.